Hey everyone, I'm Kate, a UX design/design engineer based in the Bay Area. Today I'm going to be going over a configuration file that controls how TypeScript compiles your code. Whether you're new to TypeScript or looking to optimize your project setup, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. So what exactly is this file? In TypeScript projects, tsconfig.json is a file that specifies the root files and the compiler options required to compile your TypeScript code. It allows you to define how TypeScript should compile your code, ensuring consistency and efficiency across your project. Creating a tsconfig.json file is simple. In your project directory, you can create the file manually or generate it using the TypeScript compiler. Let's see how to do that. Manual creation. Okay, so you can open your code editor and create a file named tsconfig.json, and then you add the basic structure of the file. If you want to create it in the terminal, the command line, you would use the TypeScript compiler. So open your terminal and then you would run the following command line. And if you're curious to know what npx means, it is a tool that comes with npm, which means Node Package Manager, and allows you to run executable packages directly from the npm registry without needing to install them globally on your system. It simplifies the process of running node.js, command line tools, and scripts. So we can go over briefly the key properties. So compiler options. This property allows you to specify various compiler options that control how the TypeScript compiler TSC behaves. And then include specifies an array of file patterns to include the compilation. Exclude specifies an array of file patterns to exclude from the compilation, and then files an array of individual files to include in the compilation. And then for target, specifies the target version of JavaScript to which TypeScript should compile. Common values are ES5, ES6, ES 2017, and ESNext, which means the latest version. Module specifies the module system use. Common values are CommonJS and ES, AMD, CommonJS, AMD, ES6, ES 2015, ESNext, and NodeNext. Strict enables all strict type checking options. No unchecked index access means that it enforces stricter type checks for index accesses, which, when enabled, it ensures that you handle potential undefined values that can arise from indexing into objects or arrays. ES module interrupt, it enables the interoperability between CommonJS and ES modules. Skip lib check skips type checking of all declaration files to speed up the compilation process. And then force consistent casing in file names. Ensures consistent casing in file names, preventing issues in case-sensitive file systems. Include and exclude. Include specifies an array of patterns to include in the compilation. In the example above in the previous slide, it includes all TypeScript files in the project. Exclude specifies an array of file patterns to exclude from the compilation. Typically node_modules is excluded. And then lastly, use case in a project. npx tsc in the command lines. So when you have a tsconfig.json file in your project, you can compile your TypeScript files by simply running the tsc command in the terminal. The TypeScript compiler will use the option specified in the tsconfig.json file to compile the TypeScript code. This command will compile all the TypeScript files included by the tsconfig.json configuration and generate the corresponding JavaScript files according to the specified compiler options. And that's it for today's tutorial on the tsconfig.json file. We covered what it is, how to create it, and how to configure it to suit your project needs. Understanding the file is essential for efficient TypeScript development, and I hope this guide has made it clear for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the next one. Also, if you're interested in subscribing to my newsletter, please check out the link below. See you next time. Bye.